All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining me, guys. And I want to say, totally appreciate the fact that you guys always tune in and always support the movement. No, I apologize. I didn't do any upload. Didn't do much upload over the weekend, and I also apologize for not doing as many uploads as I used to. As I told you guys that I'm having problems with receiving my laptop, and I still haven't got it as yet, which I should have gotten it today actually. But let's move away from that. Guys, please remember, smash the like button and subscribe if you're here for the first time, and continue to support people. I will continue to give you guys really good content. So I want to speak about two players today: Mikel Antonio, Ethan Pinnock. Let's start off with Ethan Pinnock. Now, we all know the situation regarding to Ethan Pinnock in regards to injury, where he came off the field for Brentford over the weekend against Liverpool. Now, due to the nature of the injury, he might be out for a time period, and he also might not. But what I do believe is that we may not get him for this window. Now, that's two players who are unlikely to play this window, which is Liam Moore, Ethan Pinnock. We also have Leon Dale, who's out. So it's making our World Cup campaign a bit more difficult. But we'll see how that one goes. Now, Ethan Pinnock was featured in the WhoScored.com Team of the Week as their left centre half in a back three. Now, it goes to show that he has talent, and he only played 43 minutes. Only 43 minutes, people, and he was put in the WhoScored.com based off his ratings, his game match ratings. That's what they use to foster the best persons. Now, there are also a lot of defenders who play the full 90 minutes, but they didn't get that opportunity to go into the WhoScored.com Team of the Week. So we have to congratulate him for the order that he did and acknowledge what he has done so far. Hopefully he will recover and return quite swiftly. Now, even in the game, we realized that he tried to walk off the injury and run it out a bit, but the last shot that one of the shots that Liverpool take, I think it was from Salah, and he deflected, he put his leg out and it hit his leg, deflecting the shot away. And from there on, he realized that he couldn't carry on any further. He went down earlier, he got up back, and he was going to come up, went to the sideline, then he came back onto the pitch, in which I believe that the coach should have just taken the necessary precaution. But in all aspects, we have seen a lot of situations where players go to the sideline and come back onto the pitch and they play the full 90 minutes. But he couldn't, and that is the situation. So another massive blow for the Reggae Boys. Another huge blow for the Reggae Boys. Now, let's move to Mikel Antonio. Now, Mikel Antonio is in exceptional form. That's now 6 from 6. I believe it's 6 from 6 or 5 from 6. Oh, I don't. Man, he's scoring so much goals. Literally a goal a game. Literally a goal a game. No, I think I'm going to take him out of my fantasy Premier League team for the next 2 weeks and see, just to test. Because you know how football is. You're in such a good goal scoring form, and then boom, there's a massive dip. But hopefully he keeps up that goal scoring form. But Ethan Reggae Boy Mikel Antonio was featured in WhoScored.com and also the SofaScore.com Team of the Week. Now, his late goal sealing the winner for West Ham United over Leeds saw that he ensured that he put himself even in the Premier League because you have so much people in FPL. You have so much people in FPL who captain Mikel Antonio and literally save them from the embarrassment of that FPL week. Can you imagine? 104 points is the highest, and I think it was like someone double captaining our bench. I'm not sure, but some ridiculous thing they did. But now let's speak, people. We will see how that one goes. But Mikel Antonio, great form, people. You have to acknowledge when these players are in great form. Now also Ethan Pinnock is in good form, but unfortunately he will be out for the next few weeks, which means that Ethan Pinnock will be out. More than likely will be out of the Gold Cup, the World Cup campaign, because I don't see the coaches will try to risk World Cup qualifiers, which is 3 games for an entire season. So they will try their best, send out an injury report that he won't be able to play for the next 2 to 3 weeks so that the national program won't select him. I think that's something that's going to happen. But let's see how this one goes, people. Guys, please remember, smash the like button. Thank you very much for tuning in, guys, and make sure that you guys have a very good day. This is Military Guna TV, people, and I am out.